Hello everyone. In my previous video, I had given a brief introduction about the poem My Mother at 66 written by Kamla Das. So as I had mentioned in my previous video, the poet expresses a kind of sorrow and melancholy in the poem. While traveling with her mother in the car, the poet looked at her mother who was fast asleep. While looking at her mother's face, she is struck with the pain, horror, and the fear of losing her mother. Her mother's face had become pale as she was no longer younger, and the poet realized the fact that her mother was in the twilight years of her life, and it was just a matter of time before the poet's mother left her forever. This was a very difficult fact for the poet to accept, and so she wanted to shift her focus towards something else. In the very next moment, the poet turned her face away from her mother and looked at some of the scenes outside where she could see some young trees and also some young children who were moving with a great amount of excitement. The young children were coming out of their homes at a rapid speed, and they were full of energy and vitality. When the poet's mother was standing at the airport to bid goodbye to her daughter, the poet again became remorseful. She again remembered her childhood fear and the fear of losing her mother. Although the poet did not express her feelings openly, the thought of losing her mother did haunt her constantly. Here, the poet compared her mother to a pale late winter's moon because her mother had grown really old. Although the poet was constantly fearful about the fact of losing her mother, she did not show any of her feelings to her mother, and with a broad smile on her face, she bid her goodbye and promised to meet her again. So, in this poem, the poet expresses her fear of separation from her parents and the kind of attachment that she had with her mother. So, this is a very short and simple kind of a poem where the central theme is the transience of life, melancholy, and the fear of separation from one's parents. I hope I have been able to explain this poem in a very nice manner, and I would like to further help the students again with future endeavors. Thank you.